So what is the advantage of machine learning for farmers? Well, with the AgroCares scanner or lab in a box, farmers can apply these spectrometers and have results returned to them within minutes. Traditional laboratory methods can sometimes take weeks or even months, but with our approach, using machine learning, these results are rapid and returned to the farmer nearly instantly. So how does this process work? Well, a farmer in their field will take the soil care scanner, for instance, and scan their soil or perhaps their feed, and the results will be sent off through the internet to AgroCares. They will send us a number of spectra, which we will then use in our prediction models to predict the quality of the soil or feed based on the appearance of the spectra. Once the prediction model has determined the various values, these results will be sent back to the farmer, and within just a few minutes they can look at their phone and see immediately the results of their soil. Right then and there they can take action and apply fertilizer or whatever is needed to improve the quality of their soil right away, rather than having to wait weeks or months. So that's how machine learning helps the farmer. In my next video, I'm going to talk about how machine learning can help in the future of farming.